Today at Spotify Camp Nou, the lateral is on fire. 2 slat installation machines confirmed active simultaneously. The lateral diamond is rising fast, box 28 is up, and the compression ring is loading up for its next sequence in both goal zones. Every zone delivered today, and some of what happened was genuinely unexpected. Here is the full breakdown. Starting at the lateral zone where ceramic slat installation has shifted into a completely different gear. 2 machines confirmed working simultaneously in the new corner section today, both actively placing slats at the same time. What had been a slow and patient preparation process has turned into a fast-moving installation sequence, and the visual impact is already significant. All slats placed in this section so far are confirmed grana red, with the color sequence only becoming clear once the full section is complete. The pace of placement today was the fastest seen on any section to date. The lateral diamond is also advancing at remarkable speed. Panel formwork is now confirmed in place on both the exterior and interior faces of the first diamond, with workers actively tightening the panels ahead of the concrete pour. Reinforcement bar frameworks for all 3 lateral diamonds are in place, and 2 additional pillars with Sapanda supports are staged and ready to be lifted. Box 28 was confirmed placed yesterday afternoon from images sent in by a subscriber, lifted around 5 p.m. at the lateral to north goal corner zone. The ring continues at close to 2 boxes per working day, and with pillar and beam sequences being prepared in both goal zones simultaneously, the pace is not slowing down. The ULMA teams were also active today assembling new Cimbra structures, with a new Cimbra base confirmed being constructed in the north goal direction. At the 3rd tier, the joint sealing phase is actively underway across multiple sections today. Workers confirmed applying the sealant compound to the seating joints across the tribune section, with the process clearly visible at close range. The sequence involves placing a foam backer rod into the joint gap first, and then applying the sealant on top to create a fully weatherproof seal between each seating slab. This same treatment was applied to the 1st and 2nd tiers previously, and seeing it active on the 3rd tier confirms this phase is now running across the full circuit. Seating steps are also confirmed distributed across the tribune and curve sections, ready to be fixed into their final positions. The steps are not yet bolted down, but they are placed in their approximate locations ahead of the fixing sequence. 3rd tier completion is moving forward on multiple fronts simultaneously. At the south goal zone, guide wire installation is confirmed active in the false ceiling section, today with a worker placing the alignment wires between anchor points. This is the final preparation step before slat installation can begin, and seeing it active confirms this zone is moving toward its first slats faster than at any point previously. The south goal tribune corner also had new vertical slat supports placed today, with 2 confirmed in position that were not there yesterday. At the north goal corner, ceramic slat installation has moved from the false ceiling section into the esquadra zone, with a new slat confirmed, placed in the upper section during today's visit. Guide wire installation is also confirmed active in the adjacent sector, confirming preparation is running simultaneously across multiple north goal sections. At the VIP ring, a concrete pump was confirmed active on the 2nd floor today, with hormigonado work underway on the floor slab. Workers were also active inside the nucleus structures, with LED lighting installation confirmed active on the superpilar faces. The nucleus scaffolding was also being erected internally in 2 of the lateral nucleus zones, confirming sandwich panel installation preparation is underway. That is everything from today. 2 slat machines active at the lateral. Box 28 confirmed placed, the diamond rising fast, 3rd tier ceiling and steps advancing. South goal guide wires in, north goal slats into the esquadra, and the VIP ring concrete active on the 2nd floor. Every zone moved today. Drop a comment, hit like and subscribe. See you now.